Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this large mouse pad. Now, I want to give a big shout out to this company for being nice enough to send me this product in exchange for this video, and I'm super excited to talk to you today about it. Now, first off, you'll probably notice that you have a very large space here on this mouse pad, which is awesome. You have a lot of room to work with for your mouse and also your keyboard. Maybe even your monitor could go on this mouse pad as well. Now, I have my own mouse here. This is my gaming mouse right here. I just wanted to show you how nicely it slides across the surface of this mouse pad. Just has a really nice movement, glides across very easily, and I really appreciate that about the mouse pad. You'll also notice there is something unique about this mouse pad, and that is this leather style strip over here on the left. Now, if we take a look here, this is actually a charging port. You can go ahead and plug in a USB-C cable, and they do include a USB-C to USB-C cable here for you to go ahead and plug in the mouse pad. And then once that is plugged in, you'll see the indicator light here, and then you can actually go ahead and charge your phone that is compatible with this type of charging right there, just that easy. It kind of magnets on, which is super nice. You can see it's not really sliding around at all, and I've just overall been so impressed with this mouse pad. It looks great, it works great with my gaming keyboard and mouse, and I've just been so pleased with it, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.